الله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والسابئون والنصارى من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Translation: Indeed, those who are believers, Muslims, or those who are Jews and Sabians and Christians, all those who believe in Allah and the last day and do good will not have any fear, nor will they grieve. This is an extremely important topic that we have already studied in Surah Al-Baqarah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly stated in this ayah that any nation, any religion, any group of people, whether they are called Muslims or Jews or Christians or any other religion, only because of their name and their skin color or their country, they will not get the success in hereafter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the formula for success, and that includes the belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also mentioned the belief in the hereafter and the good deeds. Now the belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala must be understood first, meaning that belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's attributes, His essence, His signs in the universe, His books, His messengers, all His commandments, and all His angels and so forth. It's extremely important to understand that if somebody is claiming that he believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and he does not believe in His messenger or in the commandments that are given by the messengers, it is as if he is not believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Not believing the Prophet is dishonoring the Prophet, and dishonoring the Prophet is like dishonoring Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Na'udhu billah. This could be understood that if there is a counselor from a government to a different country and somebody is dishonoring that counselor, meaning that he is dishonoring that government from which the counselor belongs to. So if somebody is not believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's messenger and His commandment, then he is not believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioning believing in the hereafter, and this is a driving force for a person to remain on the straight path. When he believes in his heart that all the deeds he is doing, he will have to answer about those, then he will certainly try to fix all his problems in his deeds, and that is the reason a true belief automatically results in the good deeds, which is also mentioned in this ayah. This is also mentioned before that the iman and the good deeds are often come together, because nobody can claim that he believes but he is not doing any good deeds. That iman, that belief has no meaning, because the true iman will generate good deeds, and a person will try to make good deeds, and it will be a conscious effort from him. So again, any nation or followers of our religions cannot claim that they are believers unless they check themselves according to this ayah, that if their iman is pure and if they are doing good deeds, and those lucky and fortunate people who are according to this ayah will have no fear, no grief in the hereafter. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.